adding integers. Once upon a time, in Integerland, tensions were high. We are the best. We are better. No, we are. So each side gathered up their troops and battled. Only one remained. Victory! Positive wins! Can you see why positive won? A positive troop against a negative troop will zero out. This positive troop zeroes out with this negative troop, leaving us with our victor of a positive 1, showing us that a positive 3 plus a negative 2 will result in a positive 1 as our answer. If you would like, you can copy this comic into your notebook or come up with your own and share with the class.